In a world where automotive enthusiasts crave power, exclusivity, and eye-catching design, one particular truck has created a buzz in the automotive community. The Apocalypse truck, built by the renowned Apocalypse Manufacturing, is unlike anything you've ever seen. This monstrous, heavily modified vehicle is designed for those who crave attention and want to make a statement. And now, the company has teased the identity of a mystery VIP customer who will be the lucky owner of this beast. So, who exactly is this high-profile individual? Let's dive into the details and find out what makes this truck and its buyer so intriguing. The Apocalypse truck is the epitome of rugged luxury. With its armored exterior, reinforced chassis, and aggressive design, this truck looks more like something you'd expect to see in a post-apocalyptic movie than on the roads today. It's built to stand out, with a custom-made front grille, imposing fenders, and massive tires that demand attention. The truck also features advanced tech and safety features, making it not only a showstopper but a functional, real-world vehicle. This is no ordinary pickup truck, it's a statement on wheels. But the real mystery isn't just the truck itself, it's the identity of the buyer. Apocalypse Manufacturing has made it clear that the customer receiving this truck is a VIP, someone with deep pockets and a penchant for one-of-a-kind vehicles. The buyer is expected to be a celebrity, influencer, or high-profile entrepreneur, though details about their identity remain under wraps for now. This veil of secrecy only adds to the allure of the vehicle, fueling speculation and excitement among automotive fans and media outlets. What makes this even more interesting is the sheer exclusivity of the Apocalypse truck. It's not a mass-produced model. In fact, only a select few customers will have the privilege of owning one of these custom-made trucks, making it a highly sought-after piece of automotive engineering. Its outrageous size and out-of-this-world design are likely to turn heads wherever it goes, making it impossible for the owner to remain low-key. In fact, the Apocalypse truck seems specifically designed to be noticed, and the VIP buyer is sure to be at the center of attention when they take it out for a spin. The truck's customization process is also part of what makes it so desirable. Buyers can choose from a wide array of options to personalize their vehicle. From bespoke interiors to specialized paint jobs and cutting-edge technology, the possibilities are endless. The fact that this truck is tailored to fit the exact desires of its buyer makes it a truly unique piece. It's not just about owning a truck, it's about owning the truck, the one that will leave everyone in awe. With rumors swirling around the identity of this mystery customer, the truck's delivery is highly anticipated. Automotive enthusiasts are already speculating about who the lucky buyer might be. Could it be a well-known Hollywood celebrity? A tech mogul with a passion for luxury vehicles? Or perhaps an influencer with a massive following, eager to showcase their new ride to millions of fans on social media? What we do know is that the buyer will certainly not have to worry about blending in. The Apocalypse truck demands attention, and whoever takes ownership of it will undoubtedly become a focal point for both car enthusiasts and the general public alike. If you've ever dreamed of driving a vehicle that is as bold as it is powerful, the Apocalypse truck is the ultimate dream machine. So, who do you think the lucky VIP customer is? Will they reveal their identity soon, or will they continue to keep us guessing? One thing's for sure, this truck is going to turn heads, and whoever owns it will definitely be making a statement every time they hit the road.